Hi friends, this is a 14.8 volt powerful suction portable vacuum cleaner suitable for house and car with built-in 14.8 volt battery. This is the on-off switch and these are LEDs. Easy to open, clean and close. It has a high quality filter system. It is more powerful than other portable vacuum cleaners. These are different types of nozzles. You can use these nozzles with this high quality rechargeable vacuum cleaner. If you want to buy it online, the link is in the description. Let's test it.